But you're not recording yet.
Yes, I am. I'm recording right now.
The red light's not on.
It's on. This is Liz's birthday.
The light's not on.
It's on, Liz. I'm recording. It says REC.
Hello.
Okay, today is Elizabeth's 17th birthday. What do you have to say?
Nothing.
Here she is in her nice new sweatshirt from Tony.
Being corny.
Happy birthday, Liz.
Thank you. Stop.
Liz?
What?
There she is when she was 3 years old. Okay, do you want to say something now? You ready to talk?
I talked before. I'm really
Don't
tired.
close your eyes. Well, I guess it's because Tony called us at 5:24 this morning.
Oh gosh. Look at our team.
Who was here? Who just came to visit?
Taz and Barb. I hope you're not copying over it.
I have not.
But they're gonna come over next time. We're gonna tape more. We'll make another tape.
Where did you get the balloons?
In school. I look like an idiot.
How was soccer practice?
Dumb. We had an hour-long class. Stop recording me.
Okay.
Mom.
It's a nice sweater. Let's see your necklace. You have your necklace on too. Oh, how pretty. Very nice.
Recording.
Okay, the battery's going. We're done. Bye, Tony.